All right, we are ready to start drawing our bears, but before we do, we need to add our name and our teacher code. So go ahead, write your name and your teacher code on your paper. It would be 2 and then whatever letter for your teacher's name. And when you are done, flip it over. We're using our extra large paper that I sent home with you guys. If you don't have it, any white paper will do. To start our drawing, we are going to draw the head of the bear. This is the top of my paper. I don't want to draw it super duper close to the top, but I am going to draw it above the middle of my paper, and I'm going to start with a large U shape. I'm drawing in pencil. Okay, that is going to be the top part for the head of our bear. The next step is going to be drawing the muzzle for our bear, which will be right in here. And it's kind of like a teardrop shape. So it's not exactly a teardrop. I start by making a rainbow shape. Okay. From there, then I bring it down and make a big round U shape. Almost looks like a pear or a teardrop. That is going to be for the nose of our bear. Okay. Next, we are going to draw a nose shape on the inside here, not at the very top. I like to make a slightly curved line. And then I make 2 little curves in. And then a big U shape for the bottom of his nose. We can make his mouth coming from the bottom here. It can go straight down, or you can split off so he has a little bit for his mouth. All right, looking good. Next, we can draw his eyes. I like to make 2 circles on either side of our nose shape. 1 and 2. Okay. And then I make another circle on the inside, 1 and 2 smaller circles that will help make his eyes look shiny. Now, right now we are missing his ears, so let's make 2 large semicircles on the top of his head. Okay, and we can even make some smaller ones on the inside. He is looking good. Before we go in and add all of our line and design like we saw on the examples, we need to give him his sweater. So I'm going to move my paper up so you can see more of the bottom of my paper here. I gotta shift him around a little bit, move him up, okay? And we are going to make his sweater. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw a big line, a big rainbow line to connect where the top of his ugly sweater will be. From that same part, I'm going to draw his shoulders. They're going to come all the way down and off the page. If you want to make yours come down a little skinnier, you can, but mine is a big chunky bear. And let's make the collar of his sweater here. Okay. And then we are going to space out about 2 fingers and make some of these lines. Notice how they are curving this way. The closer we get to the middle, the straighter the line will be. And then start curving the other way. That will help make our bear's sweater look like it's curving around his neck. And now we are ready to start with our line and design in his face.